Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know about the determination of melting point of organic compounds. So our aim should be to determine the melting point of organic compound. Then apparatus required: beaker, thermometer, glass capillary tube, typoid stand, wire gauge, iron stand with clamp and distilled water. Reagent required: concentrated sulfuric acid, solid organic compound like urea, benzoic acid, benzamide, acetamide, oxalic acid. Procedure: first we take a fine capillary tube and seal at one side with the help of Bunsen flames and rotating between finger for few seconds, as you can see in the given figure. And then take the solid organic compounds like benzoic acid, oxalic acid and urea and crush it into the fine powder with the help of spatula on white paper. And then take a small amount of solid organic compounds and fill it into the sealed capillary tube. Tap the bottom to shift the solid into the bottoms, as you can see in the given figure. After that, take a beaker and fill with the concentrated sulfuric acid up to 2/3 level, and then tie a sealed capillary tube to the thermometer with the help of thread and rubber band. Place the thermometer and the capillary tube in the concentrated sulfuric acid and fix through the iron stand such that the thermometer may not touch the bottom of the beaker, you can see in the figure, and then heat the beaker gently with the Bunsen burner. After that, note the temperature on thermometer carefully. When solid substance start melting, it's T1. Remove the Bunsen burner and allow to cool slowly. And then note the temperature on thermometer when solid start reappearing, it's T2. Take the average of the two reading. Observation table. In observation table, melting temperature is T1, solidification on upper temperature it's T2, average T1 plus T2 by 2, you will get the average temperature, and this will be your the melting point. Result. Here you will write the melting point of a solid organic compound. Now we are talking about the precautions. First is capillary should be properly sealed at one end. Second, organic compound should be crushed to fine powder and very small amount of it filled in the sealed capillary tube. Third, heat the beaker gently and temperature should be noted carefully. Fourth is open end of capillary should be above the level of H2SO4.